Hey, it's Amy with WTI. Are you looking for a great way to give a video or some beautiful pictures to someone you love, or maybe it's for a job? This is a great way to do it. Look at how beautiful this is. I am so happy with it. I love the weight of it. It's well built. I went with this one because you can customize it. This is a wedding gift. It's a video that I made. And so I have the first initials of the bride and groom and the wedding date. I really like the plastic box that it came with. It's got a little magnetic closure there. And this is great to have the USB drive in this when you're giving it as a gift. It's pretty cute. I ended up getting a little wooden box to put the flash drive in, and it really fit perfectly. Look how cute that looks in there. It definitely holds on to your fingerprints, so you're gonna wanna make sure that you wipe that off before you give it away. I love this USB drive. I really think it came out perfect. I love that you can customize it. It really gives it that personal touch. I think anybody would love to get this, and that's my point of view.